Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will start a new topic, expansion of company rule. In our last two lecture we discuss about the Battle of Plassey and then we talk about Battle of Buxar. In both the battle, East India Company becomes strong. We already knew that. We discussed from multiple contexts. Now, after establishing them in a very strong manner, East India Company would like to expand. They want to go for expansion of that company's rule. So how they are successful? Okay, that we have to learn. The English government passed Regulating Act in 1773 AD. Again, here come, please remember properly. The year is given is 1773 AD, and in this year the English government passed the act. Act means law. Okay. According to that act, which the governor of Bengal was made the governor general of all the trade and political activities of the company were brought under his direct control. Previously it was not that. Now whoever Governor General of Bengal considered to be Governor General of all the trade related activity, political activity, I mean to say the diplomatic communication with kings and nawabs and all, plus manage the trade of the company, and that is comes under direct control of this Governor General. Okay, and that Governor General is responsible for all political activity and trade related activity. Now the Governor General of Bengal got the new designation, and that designation is Governor General. Okay, Governor of Bengal now become Governor General. And after this designation announced, Governor General, Mumbai, Madras Governor and his council, council means members, okay, council member were brought under him. Okay, so this Governor General considered as boss, and who are working under the boss? The Governor of Mumbai and Madras. They have to work, and the member council, they all required to work under him. Now that is true that the designation is converted from Governor of Bengal to Governor General. But who was the first Governor General? Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India. This please underline. Okay, whenever you get a textbook, I insist you can underline this. Okay, I kept all the video. I will definitely keep all the video on YouTube. Again, you can watch it and then you can underline these important points. Those who have a textbook, it's fantastic. You can underline all these points. So Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India. It's important from many contexts. It can ask in exam in objective. Please mark properly and remember. Okay, here Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India. Now during his tenure means time period, during the time period of Warren Hastings, the first Maratha war and the second Mysore war with Hyder Ali of Mysore was waged. Waged means fought. Okay, so we would like to focus on this. Look at the screen. The first war, that is against Maratha, the second Mysore war against Hyder Ali. Okay, so these two wars are mentioned. Was waged fight. Okay, these two wars fought. Okay, now see what happened. The problem for the East India Company increased. Why? Because it had to face both the powers simultaneously. Now which both the power? The power of Maratha and power of Hyder Ali. Britishers required to face, okay, the power of Maratha and the power of Hyder Ali. But Britishers are very cunning people. They are very shrewd. Okay. You know what they do? Cornwallis took over as Governor General after Warren Hastings. See, now in movie one more hero enter. The name of that hero is Cornwallis. After Warren Hastings, next is Cornwallis. Okay, here. So after Warren Hastings, now the charge is given to Cornwallis. during the tenure of Cornwallis. The third Mysore war took place with Tipu Sultan. And Tipu Sultan, famously known as Tiger of Mysore, can be asked in exam, important one. The pet name of Tipu Sultan is Tiger of Mysore. It can be asked by two ways. Okay, who was known as Tiger of Mysore, or Tipu Sultan, famously known as Dash. At the place of Dash, you have to fill up the gap, and that is Tiger of Mysore. Okay. So now we again go to the screen. The first war against Maratha, second is against Mysore war against Hyder Ali, and the third war Mysore was against Tipu Sultan. Okay. Now in that war against Tipu Sultan, see what happened. The company has to join the hands with Maratha and the Nizam to defeat the Tipu Sultan. So here we can frame one equation. What is the equation? One side Tipu Sultan is equal to other side what happened? East India Company plus Maratha plus Nizam. So these three are at one side and other side Tipu Sultan alone. Okay. Here we remember the dialogue of Sholay movie. Okay. वो एक था और तो तुम तीन, something like that. Okay. See, imagine three are combined. Company plus Maratha plus Nizam. Other side Tipu Sultan. Now common sense. Okay. Tipu could not win against the combined force. Tipu not able to win against the combined force and had to accept the treaty. Treaty means contract. Treaty means understanding. Okay. So Tipu Sultan very badly lost and he has to sign on the treaty. Okay. Treaty means contract, in which it is mentioned that since because you lost the war, so you have to pay the war fine. War fine means some amount, plus you have to give some of the village to us, some land to us, and some area for ruling, and you have to accept all the conditions what we say. Bichara Tipu Sultan required to accept all this proposal. Okay. Now what happened? Okay. Now see, after this things over, the next we have to understand, that is, after Cornwallis, Sir John Shore became the Governor General. We again recall back what we learned. The first Governor General, Warren Hastings. After Warren Hastings, who came? Cornwallis. Okay. And after Cornwallis, Sir John Shore became the Governor General. But due to some rigid policy, rigid means what? Very strict policy adopted by him, the East India Company fame decreased, and Maratha became stronger. See, here Britishers now afraid, because John Shore was very straightforward fellow and he is very rigid. He does not have that cunning nature according to the previous two. So that's why what happened? Because of some rigid policy, okay, the East India Company's fame, popularity, fear decrease, and Maratha becomes stronger. Now common sense, East India Company will afraid if that happen. So Governor General Wellesley, who came after John Shore, got the responsibility of making company supreme. Supreme means topmost, highest powerful in India. Okay. So now one more hero come in the story, and that is Governor General Wellesley. Okay. And Wellesley has very big responsibility. The responsibility of Wellesley is what? Making the company supreme. Supreme means topmost, very strong in India. For this purpose, Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance system. Can be asked in exam, who introduced subsidiary alliance system? Those who have a textbook, they can underline. Subsidiary alliance system introduced by Wellesley. Now, before we go ahead about the conditions of subsidiary alliance system, okay, adapt, okay, the terms and condition, we just go back to remember the sequence. Okay, this sequence is very important. Okay, who came first? Warren Hastings. After Warren Hastings, Cornwallis. After Cornwallis, John Shore. After John Shore, Lord Wellesley. After Wellesley, Lord Hastings. Then William Bentinck, and then Lord Dalhousie. This is what we have in our syllabus. Okay, at present we reach up to here. Okay, after Wellesley we have to go with Lord Hastings and William Bentinck and Lord Dalhousie, but that we go for afterwards. Okay, I will keep my lecture over here only. Okay, you have to find out from internet out of all these Governor General, who was considered as the worst Governor General in a context of robbery and looting India and financial harmful to India. You have to find out from internet, out of all these Governor General, who was considered as the worst as far as the financial situation of India disturbed maximum. Okay, you can comment your answer below our video. Okay, I will definitely wait for your answer. Okay, we will keep our lecture over here today, and tomorrow we will learn the most important for your first term exam topic, that is subsidiary alliance system. In all past exam, this particular short note asked a number of times, and we will also use memory technique to cover up this. Okay, so stay connected. We will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.